The questions are, what are you willing to let go to achieve our dreams? What are the things we must do to finally be able to breathe? And perhaps the hardest question of all, what should we hand over, all in the name of reforged progress and
abundantly bless you as you take your next step. Next,
Right in English category, third placer, ESPC qualifier, cover reading and headline writing, Filipino category, ninth placer, and conduct awarding. Nostre Maria Isabel M. with high honors. Visconde Isabella Luis B. with high honors, Campus Journalism Awardee, Best Researcher, Perfect Attendance Awardee, Conduct Awardee, and Loyalty Awardee. Agaton Mika Joyce S. with high honors and HSCC Leadership Award. Javier Jenny Flor O. with high honors. Lisbeth Timothy Raincy with high honors and Campus Journalism Award. Santa Ana Hazel B. with high honors, Perfect Attendance Awardee, and Conduct Awardee. Esquadra Grace Ann O. with honors. Elivania Maria Beatriz D. with honors. Maon Jamaica S. with honors. Ramos Eliza Lorraine D.
With honors, Asia Season Leadership Awardee and Loyalty Awardee. Manuel Mike Joshua L. with honors. Lopez Ian Jewel with honors. Maandi Joyce Marie O with honors. Malyare Princess Harlet G with honors. Cabral John Paul A with honors.